Hey guys, it's your lady Shine Francis Odige Osemige, aka Yellow Nomose Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness. Compliment of the season to you guys. Yes, I'm here. I'm very excited to be here with you at this moment, celebrating this Christmas, the holiday season with you. I hope you enjoy your day and the weekend, and I hope you enjoy this segment we are bringing to your doorstep. So, the very first track I'm going to play here is titled Arrival by A.G. Silimi. A.G. Silimi featuring One Touch. Arrival by A.G. Silimi featuring One Touch. Listen and enjoy yourself. Ekwa yato wagbo. Ekwa. Oh, why me aye? Kena pere. Ina mete hero. Edo ya webo. Ina gbori o sa o. Hey. Ina tere sinu. Sele bobo. Bina pere. That's One Touch for you. Wow, that's a beautiful one from my Edo brother, Aigboviosa. A.G. Slimy Aigboviosa featuring One Touch and Sele Bobo. I enjoyed that particular track and I hope you did as well. Then my next track on my list is Amama by Shine Osemige, my humble self. Listen and enjoy the song. It's a lady shine on Senegal. Yellow no more say worldwide. weti iya kone se nume I put your son in oga it you still me the boss o sara sa wese ona gize de yewe Atete one of Bologna Semeno enegbe Keke nerone Mr. and Mrs. Otige A.K.A. Teddy Oscar Ono Jowe Onge no Sayaba Uwe Selegbele Kekbomo Regande Uwe Selegbele Unamume Yekoluki Imale Sagerie Ayimi Namiowa Oh mama mamie Ayimi Omalera Oh mama mamie Ayimi Omalera Oh mama mamie Ayimi Omalera Yes, so by the special grace of God, on me, according to Iliedo, I mean, o salobua no dazi no fiangbe, e maya fe ni mudia zero ma, le dagbome, ne zo be edima, o piano who no any man or a woman on this planet Earth that is wishing his or her neighbor well, that is not wishing others evil. May God crown all your efforts with success, because if we all have a good heart and we have good plans towards one another, this life will be a better place 100% for all of us. So let's tread on the right path and keep doing what is right. God bless you. And the next track I'm about to play here is Dodorima by our very own son of the soil, Influence Akaba. Dodorima, 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 Dodorima.
For the life that I'm living, I say, Baba, God is too much. No one does my other things. Ogologoma, 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 yeah.
Dodorima, 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 Dodorima.
Created mankind to love each other. So tell me why we're gonna fight each other. Oh, Saloba, no, God, one who came my head. Okay, now you know you're gonna get no, you're going to be better than that.
Yes, so Dodorima to our God Almighty for His mercies and grace, because if we have mats all over our body, it won't be enough for us to thank Him for the seen and unseen battles He fights for us. So this is an amazing piece from our very own brother, son of the soil, Influence Akaba, doing a great job. Is a legend, multi-talented artist. I love his talents. I love his talents. Yeah, more grace to your elbow, bro. And the next piece here is for my humble self, Shine Odige Osemige. Enjoy. Shine Osemige featuring Akobe. Yes, so the music oracle himself, the Oguma of music. Be so yeah. Now what I already got ya well, erole, oh no, na ne pe jagbe. Oh yeah, iwe do. Kele omiye do. Ibe do me o, wagara siri opa. Wagari owe magbo. Akoko eti o, iwane gba o dele. Iriye me o, wagara siri opa. Tito koko rigbe. Iwe do. Omiye me, iwe do. Namuta already got ya well, erole, omo na nekpe nyagbe. Omiye me, iwe do. Gele omiye 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 do. Yes, so my country people, that was a beautiful one from my humble self, your lady Shine Osemige, aka Yellow Namose Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness, aka Nose Mageta of the Universe, aka Terminal. Yes, I hope you enjoyed yourself. I would have loved to play more tracks. I have about 3 other tracks I intend to play, but looking at my battery right now, it might not favor us, so that our effort will not be in vain. So it's rather I call it a day here and come up on live next weekend. So save the time. It's 7:30 or 8 o'clock Nigeria time on Saturdays or Sunday. Yes, that's what it is. So please, if you see our videos online, please do share and share to your friends, share on your page, share on your Facebook pages and all that. I would like to inform you that my life on stage is going to be first of its kind from my very humble self, Lady Shine Osemige, 16th of January at Scarlet Hotel. Time is 12 noon. Benin City is going to be shut down that day. So this is going to be it doesn't have choice than to come out successful. It is rather it's successful or it is successful. That is the only option. Yes, so it's going to be a massive one. So please do join us if you are in town on that day, 16th of January. Join us and God will bless you richly as you do so. I like to call it today here. Having pleasant night rest and sweet dreams, guys. Love you, heart you. Please send down my Christmas gift. So I'm waiting. Christmas is Saturday coming, so bring me your gifts. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah. Bye guys.